Hilera-hilera niya, oh.
I want to learn how to.
Okay.
Mag-ulay daw. Okay, alam niya na lay daw.
Kala niyo higa si daddy niya.
Are you happy? Delia, I love you. Yay!
The swimming pool is there.
Swimming pool. Hi Valeria. I love you.
Parang gusto ka inom na.
Daddy yan eh.
Natuwa ka kay Leo.
Mm.
Moving grass here. Yeah.
Moving grass?
Moving grass? Makahiya?
No, it's not.
Here.
That's not makahiya.
Where's Mama?
Gigil daddy eh. I love you. I love you. So bite it. Wanna bite it?
Ayan. Celebration ng graduation ni Tita Red today. Si Victoria. Eh, si Tita Rica nag-try magkano. Sama sila. Hi, Dad.
Hilig talaga po sa pasta. Hilig talaga na sa pasta.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wish first.
Yay! Gusto kumain si Daddy. Ako naman. So kasi ang laki ng servings nila. So inaantay lang namin yung rice. Patakam siya. Naamin niya yung pagkain.
Tingnan mo, tingnan mo ito. Gusto kumain ah.
Valeria! Hello? You wanna eat? You wanna eat na? Natatakam siya.
No more.
Say congratulations, Tita Red!
Oh, I like your you are cute. It's
So cute! Hi, Kimchi! Ganda mo naman, Kimchi! Yeah!
Take a bath in your bathtub.
Gusto pa ako
Bigyan mo nga sila.
Sa bata. Laki ng mata ni Valeria.
Tomorrow, when you take a bath in your bathtub.
Yeah! Minion soup. Yay! We're gonna use this tomorrow. Bubble bath. Wow, you have so many gifts. What will you say to Tita?
Yung arrival pero meron na si Mama. Panis.
Oh, there's your dinosaur.
Hi, Tita Rica. Ninang
They're at the back of the farm.
Kitty kitty.
I love you. That's yours.
You want to use?
Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami and